In this video, we will show you how to use the Advanced Search tool to locate your worksite in a variety of ways. If a normal address search does not yield the expected results, you may need to use one of the Advanced Search functions. Advanced Search tools can be accessed through the Locate By drop-down menu, found to the right of the address search bar. Advanced Street Search allows you to search for an address, an intersection, or a city. All fields are optional, but providing more information generally yields better results. The Coordinate Search allows you to search by latitude, longitude, and other coordinate types. You can even display the mapping from an existing ticket with Ticket Search. If you have a ticket number, simply enter it in the ticket number field and click Search. If found, ITICnxt will display the ticket's mapping in purple. We hope you have found this tutorial helpful. Thanks for watching.